Okay. Okay, everything okay? Okay. So first, take out your strategy A. Strategi A, kertas satu. Okay, your kertas satu, page 1 to 3, right? Okay, I ask you to do 1 to 3. Look at the pages that you have sent to me. Okay. I want you to look at this. Okay, example. Okay, this is Hayden's work. Okay, what is the problem here? The problem here is there is no... Oh, okay, good. You have calculation. I ask you to do your calculation. Langkah kerja. This one, who's this? Max Chris, okay? I ask you to do your calculation. Every time when you have to do paper 1, do your calculation on the book, okay? On the book, inside the book. Siapa Ivy Lin? Siapa Ivy? Siapa Ivy? Siapa Ivy? Okay? Ivy ialah siapa? Okay, never mind. Oh, Aaron. Okay, Aaron. Later lah, okay? Aaron and just now who? Fairuz. Okay. Okay, come back to this. Okay, I told you to do your calculation. Without calculation, it means that you are not doing it correctly. Okay, you see, no calculation. Oh, this one no need because this is likelihood. Okay, some of you need calculation to do all of this. Okay, I want to see it. Okay, let's continue. Okay, look at this. Okay, look at this. So what do? Okay, million, it means that you have to times. If you want to change it to whole number, you have to times 1 million. So, but we don't want to times 1 million. We just move the decimal point. Okay, how many times? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so this empty slot, okay, put 0. So your answer would be 104,000, D. So number 1 is D. Okay, number 1 is D. So you can do self-checking. And if you want to do the calculation, if you get this question wrong, okay, please do your calculation here, okay, as a correction. Use a red pen as a correction. Okay, number 2, look at this. Okay. If the number is 6,280,000, 280,100, what is the value of P? Okay, so look at this. Okay, you can do this. Okay, so the longest number is this. Okay, this longest number. Okay, longest number. Okay. The second longest number is 80,000. Okay, 80,000. So you put. Make sure you align your numbers. Okay, align your numbers. And then 100. Okay, so 0, 0, 1, 0, 8, 0, 6. So what is missing? The number 2. So 2 is here. So 2 supposed to be 200,000. Okay, 200,000. So which one is 200,000? C. Okay, C. So if you check, we can check. Okay, we can check your work. Okay, so we take a few examples. You see, number 2, C. Okay, correct. Let's see. C, correct. Let's see. C, correct. Meaning that you all did a good job lah. Okay, Farizan. Okay, good. C. And look at this. Who is this? Mukris. Okay, if Mukris is here, okay, You see, you have to do your calculation. Please do correction, Mokris. Okay. What else? Who else? Okay. So only a few people who submitted your work. Please, okay, do correction if you got it wrong. Okay, so we move on to number 3. Okay. Pelita darah amis. Okay. Okay, next, number 3. Okay. Your strategy A, mathematics, unit 1. Okay. Page 1, number 3. Okay, look at this. Oh, very difficult because this is fraction. But don't worry. Okay. You look at this. This is 8 million. Okay. 8 million. So all of these 8 million are correct. Okay. They are right. So the difference is all of them, they have million. Only the difference is fraction. Okay. Fraction, fraction, fraction. I told you, do not guess your fraction. Okay. Do it. Okay. How to get this? If you have fraction, meaning that you have a long line here. So if this is 400,000, 400,000. Okay, divide by. Okay, this means divide. Okay, divide. Divide by what? Okay, divide by, if this one is 1 million. Okay, you look at this, times 1 million. If you do the other way around, it will be divide by 1 million. Okay, so next step is cancel the zero. Cut top and bottom. It must be a pair. It must be a pair. So maybe I use another color. Okay, I use another color. Okay, so cut the zero on top. It must be a pair. Okay, mesti pasangan. Cut, 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 cut. Okay, look at this. There is no answer yet. Okay, no answer yet. It means that you look at this. 4 over 10. 4 over 10 million. Okay, 4 over 10. This one we can simplify it. Okay, simplify it by multiplication table of 2. Okay, 2 times what is 4? 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times what is 10? 2 times 5. So this is how you get your answer. 8, 2 over 5 million. Okay, 8, 2 over 5 million. So we have an answer B. B is my answer. Okay, ini jangan tembak. Okay, jangan tembak. This is an easy question. Okay, it is not difficult. Okay, look at number 4. Okay, number 4. Go back to this. Which of the following shows the rounding of a number to the nearest 10,000 correctly? Okay, this one no choice. No choice. Okay, you have to do one by one. Okay, let's do one by one. Okay, so first thing is you notice is 10,000. Which place number is 10,000? This is ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. It means that this number 5. Same thing, this is 7, this is 5, and this is 5. Okay, so look at this again. 8. You need to plus 1. Other than that, all of this will become 0. Okay, so it will become 260,000. So 26. So this is not the answer. The correct answer is 260,000. And then second, okay, 7. Sorry. Sorry. Okay. Oh, yeah, this one is correct. Okay, this one. Okay, 0. You don't need to plus 1. So your answer would be 670,000. Okay, next. 4. You don't have to plus 1. This one will be plus 0. Okay, so your answer would be this one. Okay, because all this will be zeroized. Okay, so answer would be C. So if you want to make sure again, this one, let's check. Okay, D is for checking. Okay, maybe because you know the answer is C. Let's check D. Okay, so this is 6. You have to plus 1. So this would be wrong. Okay, 2,060,000. Okay, you can check your answer. C. Okay, I don't think you can see it. So maybe I do it nicely here. Okay, C. This would be B. Okay, check your answer. Later, if you get this wrong, okay, or you want to know the correct calculation, teacher will send this PDF file to you later. Okay, so far so good. We have discussed number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. Okay, let's see number 5. Okay, which of the following is not a prime number? Okay, so if you don't remember, you have to do it manually. What is the meaning of manually? You have to calculate one by one. Okay, one by one. Let me see. Okay, all of these end with 7. Okay, end with 7. Okay, let's see. End with 7. Okay, can it be divided by 2? Cannot. Can it be divided by 3? Okay, can it be divided by 3? Let us try. Okay, can it be divided by 3? All of them, do it manually. Okay, 3, 3, 3, 9, 7. Okay, so 2, 6. So cannot be divided by 3. You have to try and error if you cannot remember. Okay, 3, 2, 6, 3, 5, 15. Okay, there is a remainder, so this is not might be a prime number. So later we check. Sorry, 27. Okay. Okay, we try an error. Okay, so 29. So this one without a remainder. So still remember what is the how to know that is a prime number. Okay, it only can divide by 1 and itself. This is not itself. It can be divided by 3. So do not circle B. B is absolutely wrong. So next is 47. Okay, 47. Let's try 3, 3, 1, 3, 3, 5, 15. So you have a remainder, okay, possible, okay, 47 is possible. And then next is 37 divided by 3, 3, 1, 3, 3, 2, 6. Oh, sorry, okay, let's look at it again. Which of the following is not a prime number? You see, only B can be divided by 3. Okay, this is not a prime number. So answer would be B. Other than that, all of these are prime number. If you cannot be sure, okay, let's copy from your textbook. This is your textbook. Okay. How to copy? Cannot copy. Okay. So this one is from your textbook. Okay, look at this. Okay, 97 is not a prime number. It is a prime number. Okay, look at this. 97 is a prime number. Okay, and then next, 47, 37. Let's check. 47 and 37 are prime number because they have colors on it. Okay, so 37, 47, 97, they are prime numbers. Okay, so if you don't remember or if it is an exam, you have to calculate manually. Try each one. Okay, 2, 3, 5. Okay, try all of them. Okay, number 6. What is the value of x? Okay, okay, when you look at this is a number line. These are decimal, and then come up with this fraction. Okay, fraction. Okay, so don't be afraid. Okay, don't be afraid. Okay, look at this. 2.5. Can we change it to fraction? Okay, can we change it to fraction? Still remember, okay, our class. This was from our previous class. Okay, still remember, you see here. Okay, 1 over 2 is 0.5. 1 over 2 is 0.5. 1 over 2 is 1.5. 1 over 2 is 2.5. So we have a similarity here. Okay, we have a similarity here. Okay, here, this one. Okay, this was from our previous exercise. So 1 over 2 equals to 2.5 million. Okay, here, million. Okay, so you look at this, 2.5 million. You can write it as 1 over 2 million. Okay, 1 over 2. Okay, this is 3. Okay, look at this. This is 0.25. Okay, 0.25. Still remember? 0.25. 0.25 is 1 over 4. 0.25 is 1 over 4. So 3.25 is 1 over 4. Still remember our lesson last time? Okay, so you have to write 1 over 4 million. Okay, so you look at this. This is 3 million, 1 over 4. Okay, look at this again. Okay, they have different fraction. Okay, different. 1 over 2, 1 over 4. The denominator is the bottom one. The bottom one, they are not the same. So you have to change it. 1 over 2, you have to change it to the same denominator. Okay, how to change it? Okay, let's see. 1 over 2. Okay, how to change it to denominator of 4 times 2. When your bottom times 2, your top you must times 2 as well. So 2 over 4. Okay, so this one you change it to 2 over 4. Okay, change it to 2 over 4. Okay, so right now they have the same denominator. Okay, same denominator. 2 over 4, and then this is x, and then look at this. Okay, look at the answer. This one would be wrong, okay, because you look at the denominator, it should be 4. So this one is not possible. B is also not possible. So answer would be C or D. Okay, C or D. So how to select which one? Which one is the correct one? Look at this. This is 2 over 4. Okay, this is 1 over 4, which is smaller than this. So this is also not possible. So the most probably is 3 over 4. 2, you see, 2 over 4. 3 over 4, and 3, okay, 3, 1 over 4. They are in ascending order. Ascending order. Okay, ascending order. So 2, 2 over 4, 2, 3 over 4, 3, 3, 1 over 4. Okay, so far so good, everybody? So far so good? So far so good, everybody?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Everybody okay? No feedback, eh? Everybody okay?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Siti Aisha. Who is Siti Aisha again? Okay. Okay. Next. Later you copy the link, the notes or maybe the workout. Okay, the workout. Okay, next. Number 7. Okay, number 7 is tricky. Okay, number 7 is tricky. 1, 3, 9, 27, 81, 243, and then next is Y. Okay, so logically, okay, you have to think by logic. Look at the numbers. If I plus, you see, 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 6 is 9. And then 9 have to plus another bigger number. And then look at this. 81 plus what equals to 243. So plus addition. Okay, addition doesn't make sense. Cannot. Okay, addition doesn't make sense. Okay, okay, you have to think about this. Okay, you have to think about this. We have 4 types of operation. We have 4 types of operation. Okay, we have 4 types of operation. When you look at, you have to think by logic. Okay, if plus cannot, okay, cannot, plus cannot. Next, minus. This is in ascending order. When you have an ascending order, it cannot be minus, it cannot be divide. So left, multiplication, times. Okay, so this is first logic you should have. Okay, first logic. Second logic, okay, so times. Okay, let's try. 1 times what equals to 3? 1 times 3. Okay, so next, look at the next pattern. 3 times what equals to 9? 3 times 3 equals to 9. And then next, 9 times what equals to 27? 9 times 3. Okay, so next, 27 times what equals to 81? It's also 3. Okay, so by logic, it means that this number pattern, all the numbers are increasingly by increased by multiplication times 3. Okay, they increase by times 3. So logically, 243 times 3, you will get Y. Okay, so 3, 3, 9. So when you look at this, oh, 9, this cannot be, this cannot be. And this one is too close to 243. Okay, so by logic, you actually get C. By logic. But if you are not sure, let's us continue. Okay, because this is paper 1. Paper 1, you do it halfway. You can, if you see the answer, you can just select your answer. Okay, that is the advantage of paper 1. So 3 times 4, 12. 3 times 2, 6 plus 1, 7. Okay, so you get the same answer. But paper 1, remember, do remember that paper 1, you can directly choose the answer. Next, okay, so next, in the number 375,426, what is the product of the values of the largest digit and the smallest digit? Okay, look at the largest digit is 7. The smallest digit is 2. Okay, they want the product. of the values. So the first value is 70,000. And the smallest value is 20, smallest digit is 20. So when you times, okay, when I see all this zero, calculate the zero. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 2 times 7, 14. So you get your answer C. Okay, by logic. Okay, if you go by logic. Okay, next, number 9. Okay, number 9, you look at this. Okay, the total of 8, 10,000. 10,000, how many zero? 10,000, how many zero? Okay, 10,000. So 8 is here. Okay, 1 over 5 million. 1 over 5 is, okay, look, let's take a look at our notes again. 1 over 5 is 0.2. Okay, so it means that this is 0.2 million. But you cannot plus directly. You cannot plus directly because you see this is not a whole number. This is a decimal number. You have to change it to whole number. So 0.2. Okay, this one is our question 1. Still remember our question 1, we have to move 6 decimal point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so all these slots, empty slot, you fill in with 0. So this is 200,000. So they want the total. The total means sum. Okay, so 200, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, sorry. Okay, 200,000 plus 80,000. 80, 10,000. Okay, 80,000 na. Okay, ngam. Okay, plus, so you get your answer 280,000. B. Answer is B. Okay. Okay, everybody. Next. Next, same thing. Okay, look at this. They have 2 things to do. One is minus, and then the second one is round off. First is minus, calculate, minus. Second is round off. So let's do this one first. Move the decimal point first. 7.9, move the decimal point. Okay, move the decimal point 6 times. Same thing. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So empty slot, you put 0. And then this one, 4.08. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, do not move more or less. Okay, it should be ngam ngam, ngam ngam 6. Okay, so all this put 0. So you have to minus. So 7,900,000 minus 4,080,000. When you do this, please align your numbers. Align. Okay, align. Align ialah susun. Okay, still remember every time your teacher say align your numbers, you have to align your numbers. Tidak boleh miring-miring. Okay. Okay, so 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. Same thing. Okay, when you encounter this, okay, especially my 6 biru, 6 hijau student, okay, if you cannot minus, you have to borrow. Okay, borrow from the neighbor. Okay, bigger neighbor. So it will become 8, and this will become 10. 10 minus 8, it will be 2. 8 minus 0, 8. 7 minus 4, 3. Okay. And then next, this is not the final answer, because you have to round off. Okay. Look at this. This is your calculate. Number 1 to solve. Okay. I have solved it. And then next, 2 is round off. Round off to the nearest 100,000. So 100,000, let's use another color. Let's use red. Okay. 100,000 is here. Okay. And maybe I write it. Okay. So that you don't get confused. So the next one would be here. Okay. 100,000. I'll underline it so that you know which color is for which. Okay, so 3,820,000 round off. Okay, 100,000 is 8. Look at the number 2. Okay, so this one will be plus 0, meaning you don't have to do anything. Okay, and then all this will be 0 rise. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 8 plus 0, 8. So 3,800,000. That is your final answer. So if you select B, okay, it will be wrong. Okay, if you select B, it will be wrong. Okay, so be careful when you read, you underline the things that you have to do, the keyword, okay, the things that you have to do. So next, 11. Okay, this one. 2 numbers on which card give a sum of 0.95 million. Okay, 0.95 million. Oh, okay, 0.95 million. Let's change it to whole number. Maybe I'll make it bigger so that you can see it. Okay, 0.95. Okay, so 0.95 would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so all this empty slot. So your answer should be this one. Let's check. Okay, so this is your keyword lah. Okay, 950,000. So this one is, let's change it. Okay, let's change it. P 0.06. Okay, change it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it will be 60,000. Okay, Q is 0.35. When you move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 350,000. Okay, and then R. R is a fraction. Still remember I asked you to memorize it. 3/5. Let's search from our previous note. 3/5. Is there any 3/5? 3/5 is 0.6. Teacher asked you to memorize it, kan? 0.6. Okay, look at this. This is 0.06. This is 0.6. They are different. Okay, make sure when you do it detailed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, you have to be detailed. So it will be 600,000. Okay, and then the last one is S. S is 85,000. Okay, so when you align it, you look at this. Which numbers, which card, okay, which numbers can produce 950,000? Okay, you see 60,000 and 85,000 are too small. They are too small. So the You look at this. 9 as 3 plus 6, 9, 5 plus 0, 5. So this one, these two are possible. Okay, possible. Ini dua. So answer is Q and R, C. Your answer would be C. So when you do your maths, okay, jangan tembak, okay? Make sure you calculate properly. Think back. These are all the basic, okay? Very basic. Okay, next, let's look at number 12. Which of the following is the estimated answer? Estimated answer. Okay, so this is my keyword, estimated answer. Okay, estimated answer. Ayo, very difficult, kan? Don't worry. Okay, look at this. This is 40,392 divided by 99. We know that if we round off this 99 to the nearest 10, it will be 100. Correct? Estimate lah, we estimate. Agak-agak saja. Ini agak-agak. Agak-agak. Okay, agak-agak saja. This one will be closest to 40,000. Okay, so imagine 40,000 divided by 100. Okay, let's see. 40,000 divided by 100 is also over 100. Cancel the zero, top, bottom, top, bottom. So your answer will be in between of 400. You see, which one has the closest number? C. So this C would be your estimated answer, 400. Look at this. There is no 400 here. It means that the only answer would be C. You can do it manually. You can do this. Okay, you can do this. If you are not sure, you can do this. But it will take a lot of time. This one will be taking a lot of time. Okay? Okay, next. Okay, that's why teacher don't want you to do this. Okay? I don't want you to waste time. Okay? This one will be easy. Next. This one. 1,000. 1,000 we have 30. Okay? Remember 30? So it would be 108,000 divided by 36. Okay, so your teacher is kind of lazy. Look at this, A, B, C, D. All of them, they are 3. Okay, the keyword is all of these are 3. So it means that, okay, so the perks of doing paper 1, okay, you can look at the answer first. So all of them start from 3. Don't waste your time. Multiply by 3. 3, 6, 18. 3, 3, 9 plus 1, 10. So it means that this would be 108. 1, 2, 3. We have 30, 30. So your answer would be 3,000. D. So this is one of the technique, okay? Technique, we call it the fast technique lah, okay? So the advantage of doing paper 1, okay, you can look at the answer first. Okay, sometimes I saw you guys, you want to do it, teacher Yong say, oh yeah, you have to do your multiplication until 9. Not necessary if you are doing paper 1, okay? If you have clues here, all of them are 3. Don't waste your time. Okay, don't waste your time. So next, number 14. Okay, number 14. Okay, number 14. Okay, this one. Which of the following gives the answer 167,764? Okay, so this one. Okay, this one you have to go by logic. Okay, by logic. Okay, look at this. Okay, how to get 4? Okay, how to get 4? This is 6. nothing here. Okay, closest to 6. So closest to 4. Okay, how to get 4? Okay, look at this. This is 6. Okay, how to get 4? It must be something related to minus. It must be related to minus. So D is confirmed wrong. Okay, D is confirmed wrong. So next, it must be minus this how to say, this circle. So look at this. Is there any minus circle here? This one. So answer should be B. Let me check. Let me check. 14 is B, correct. Okay, you see, this is only 10 minus 6 can be 4. Okay, so by logic, it must be here, in front of it, it must be minus. So only one is minus circle. This one, B. Okay, no need to calculate. That is why your teacher loves to do paper 1. Okay, I love to do paper 1. I can just guess the answer. Not guess the answer. I mean, I get the answer correctly. Okay, not guessing, but by logic. All these are logic. Remember, you have to have logic. Okay, go by logic. Okay, next. Number 9. 15. Okay, this one requires a lot of reading, and these are K-Bat answer, HOTS question. Okay, Encik Ali picks 336 mangoes. He keeps 72 of the mangoes for his family. The remaining mangoes are distributed equally to his 6 friends. How many mangoes do 4 of his friends receive? Oh, you see, this one, teacher hates this kind of question, okay? Because you have to read, you have to understand, you have to solve part by part. There are a lot of puzzle. So first thing is 336. He keeps 72 mangoes. So if I keep means it's for his family members. So if he keep means minus, okay? Minus from this 336. Okay, 6 minus 2, 4. 13 minus 7, you have to borrow. Okay, please make sure you align. Teacher previously talked about align kan? Align maksudnya susun. Okay, if you align it incorrectly, it will be wrong. So you make sure you align your okay, align. So 13 minus 7, 6, 2. Okay, next. This is the first one. The first one. Okay, let's use another color for the second one. The remaining mangoes are distributed equally. Distributed equally to 6. So it means that this would be divide. Okay, divide. Which number to divide? This number, 264. Okay, some of you choose the wrong number. You choose 336, which is wrong. So you have to choose the right number, okay? When you transfer your answer, make sure you transfer it correctly. Sometimes when you write here 264, but here you write 246. And sometimes the other frequently missed answer is, look at this, this is 6. Sometimes you just scribble your answer like this. It looks like 0. So when you transfer 204, okay, which is wrong. So make sure when you transfer your answer, you write it correctly. So divide by 6, okay? So this one, 6, 4, 24. If you are not sure, do your multiplication table. Do your multiplication table. Okay, so 44. So one friend get 44. And then next one, how many mangoes do 4 of his friends receive? Yeah. So this is another one. I use red. Okay. They want 4 of his friends receive. Okay, so this answer 44 times 4 because they only want 4 friends. Ini satu kawan. Ini 4 kawan. 4, 4, 16. 4, 4, 16 plus 1, 17. Okay, so your answer is 176. Okay, 176. So you see, very dangerous. If you stop at 44, there is an answer 44. So you have to make sure you answer it correctly. All the problems are solved. You see, the green one is the first one, the blue one is the second one, and the red one is the last one. Okay, the last puzzle. So next, 16. Everybody okay? Everybody? Semua masih okay?
Yes.
Okay, I will upload this video, so don't worry, yeah. Okay, next, 16. Okay, a lot of reading. Teacher hates all this, but teacher can solve it by logic, okay? So I hope that one day you might surpass me, okay? Okay, look at this, 3 over 10, change it to 3 over 10. Look at this, if you forgot. 3 over 10 is 0 0.3. 0 0.3. Okay, 3 over 10 is 0 0.3. So 3 over 10 is 1.3 million. Okay, next. Let's look at this. Okay, 1.3 million, but you look at this. This is fraction. Okay, we change it to decimal. We have 2 decimal and 1 whole number. Look at the answer. Answer is in, what do we call it? In whole number. So it means that this one, you have to change it to whole number. Okay, 1.3 million and 1.08 million. So if you do it one by one, 1.3, you have to move 6 decimal point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you get 1,300,000. Okay, 1,300,000. And this one is, okay, let's do it. Very sorry to 6 Mera, but I have to be very detailed. Okay, very detailed. Move 6 times. Okay, empty slot, put 0. 1,080,000. Okay, so all of these are whole number. Next, then teacher read the question. The factory needs to achieve the target to produce 1,500,000 t-shirts each month. Okay, so 1 month, you need to produce 1,500,000. How many more t-shirts are needed to be produced to achieve the target for these 3 months? So 1 month is 1,500,000. So how many more t-shirts are needed? Okay, are needed to produce. They want to achieve the target. Okay, they want to achieve the target, meaning that every month we have 1,500,000. You see? Different. Okay. This one, same thing. They want to achieve this. Okay, they want to achieve 1,500,000. But you see, they only produce less than that, and less than that. So how do we calculate this? Okay, I want to do the easy way. Okay, the easy way is 1. Okay, I love to plus. Okay, I hate to minus. So I want to plus all of this. Okay, plus. Okay, why do I have 3? Because these are October, November, December. This is the target. My target. Align your numbers, align. Okay, especially my student. Okay, align the numbers. Okay, align it. 5 plus 5 plus 5, 15. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4. This is my target. Okay, so how many more to produce? Okay, the first one is this one, and then the November, and the last one is December. Okay, make sure you align your numbers. Align your numbers. So 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, do it properly. Teacher might not do it proper like you guys. Okay, 5 plus 8, 13, 8 and 3. Okay, so they say how many more to achieve? Okay. So 4,500,000 minus 3,830. Okay, so you get minus. When you minus 0 minus 3, cannot minus. Please borrow, okay, borrow from the bigger number. So 7, 4 cannot minus 8, so you have to borrow. 14 minus 8, you get 6. So your answer is B. Okay, your answer is B. Okay? Okay, so far so good? Everybody so far so good?
Yes, teacher.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, next. 17. 17, we're almost there. Okay? We're almost there. Tahan lapar. Okay, Rosalie had some bits at first. He gave 480 bits to David. Then Rosalie put the remaining bits equally into 8 containers. Oh, okay, this one. Each container has 150 bits. Calculate the total number of bits that Rosalie had at first. Okay, this one. Okay. If Teacher Yong cannot remember, okay, cannot just solve the problem by reading once. So I read the second time, I read the third time, or maybe I draw something, then I will understand. Okay, so let's read the second time. Okay, so this one, Rosalie, okay, he gave 480 bits to David. Then Rosalie put the remaining bits equally into 8 containers. Each container had 150 bits. Okay. So obviously, okay, first he wants to know the total number of bits that Rosalie had at first. Okay, at first. Means that at the beginning. Okay. Okay. For me, how do I solve it? I solve the container first. You see, each container had 150 bits. He has 8 containers. So multiply it. Okay, these are the clue that I have. So 800, 85, 40, 818. Okay, 1,200. Okay, next. Look at this. Oh, there is no answer. Okay, there is no answer. Okay, look at this. Rosalie had some bits at first. Here at first. Meaning that before that, you see, before he got 1,200, actually he has 480 bits to David. So before he give to David, he actually has this. Wait, I use a different color. Okay, meaning that before he gives to David, he actually has this 480. So right now, look at this. We have an answer, B. Okay, B is my answer. Okay, B is my answer. And then next, last question. The difference in when you require to read, okay, when you are required to read, okay, make sure you understand it. That's why sometimes when you see your teacher, I have to read 2-3 times, and then I look back at the question. Okay, that is my technique. I don't know what's your technique. Okay, I hope that if you cannot find your technique, you use your teacher's technique. Okay, read until you understand, and then when you do each step, you refer to the question. Okay, so first, the difference in number of erasers produced by factory P and factory Q is 0.15. So difference, okay, is 0.15 million. Okay, the number of erasers produced by factory Q is more than the number of erasers produced by factory P. Okay, so I use a different color. Okay, more than. The total number of erasers produced by two factories is 1.2 million. Okay, this is another clue. Okay, problem solving questions are usually difficult. Okay, so you have to be very detailed. Total. The number of erasers produced by factory R is twice the number of eraser produced by factory Q. What is the number of erasers produced by factory R? Ayun. Okay, hold on. Let's see. Q is more than P. Okay, so right now we have P, Q, and R. Okay, we have factory P, we have factory Q, we have factory R. Okay, so it means that we have 3. So sometimes teacher draw diagram, okay, to understand more. Okay, so this one, P and Q, the difference is 0.15. Q is more than P. Okay. Difference 0.15 million. Okay, and then Q is more than P. Okay, so this is my clue. And then next one, the total number of eraser produced by two factories, total, we have another total, is 1.2 million. Okay. Okay, so it means P and Q. This is the data that I have. The number of eraser produced by factory R is twice the number produced by factory Q. R is more than Q. More than Q. Okay, twice the amount. Okay. What is the number of eraser produced by factory R? Okay. Okay, let's see. This one. This is actually a very difficult, hot question. Okay. But if you remember in my classroom, okay, we talk about Tom and Jerry. Still remember my story, Tom and Jerry? Still remember? Anybody remember? Anybody can solve this question. Let's ask. Let's ask somebody. Let's ask somebody. Siapa boleh jawab? Ote Gali, can you tell me? Ote Gali, can you tell me how you solve this question? Ote Gali, what answer did you get? Let's see. Ote Gali, you can write your answer here. What is your answer? A, B, C, D. I want to know. Al Zakri, what is your answer? Anybody? I want to see your answer. This is the last question, the most difficult one. Okay? Everybody write your answer. I want to see your answer. Evan, write your answer here. If you don't want to tell teacher, you write your answer. Evan Steinbrenner. Let's choose. Let me choose. Let me see. Okay. Say it. Write your answer. Stephen Mekopon. Write your answer. And another one from Anam Kuning. Anam Kuning. Anam Kuning. Siapa Anam Kuning? Is Shahira. Is Shahira. Okay, let's see. Answer is D. Betul kah? Okay, let me ask. Vanessa, how do you get your answer? Vanessa, do you have microphone? How do you get your answer? Hello? Hello? Oh, okay. Okay. She actually got the answer. Okay, how do you get this? 675,000. What did you do? What did you do, Vanessa? Vanessa, what did you do? Okay, what did you do? I don't know, I was just thinking. What is this? Where's your calculation? 6 Mera should have your calculation, right? Where's your calculation? So that's why I asked you, when you do your work, you must have your calculation, because you won't be able to remember anything if it is empty. You just circle the answer. Okay? Okay, let's do this. Okay? I believe that most of you do not have any calculation, or maybe if you have the wrong calculation, or maybe you tembak, you dapat betul. Okay, let's see. This one. This is our Tom and Jerry. Okay? How to get Q? I want to get Q. Q is more than P. The difference is 0.15 million. Okay, the total is this. Hold on. Excel. Okay. Okay, why teacher use Excel? Everybody knows how to use Excel, ka? Okay. 1.2 million. Okay, as usual, your teacher is lazy. So, what do teacher do? Okay, this is what teacher would do. This one times with this one is 1,200,000. Okay, 0.5, 0.15 million times 1 million. Teacher also lazy. Okay, teacher do this. So, and then teacher pull the formula. Okay, so this one. Okay, so how to get your answer? Let's see. Where's Vanessa's answer? Vanessa's answer is 6, 7. Okay, let's see. 675,000. Let's see. Okay, let's see whether teacher can get this answer or not. Okay, so next is 1.2 million. Okay, this is Tom and Jerry's question. Okay, Tom and Jerry's question. Okay, let me see if I can do this. This one actually minus this one divide by 2. Okay, let's try. Okay, why didn't I get your answer? Okay, let's see the next one. Okay, R is twice of Q. The number of eraser produced by factory R is twice the number. Okay, so you actually have to times 2. R is actually times 2. 525,000 times 2 equals to this one times 2. What is the The difference in number of eraser produced by factory P and factory Q is 0.5 million. 0.15 million. 0.15. Okay. The number of eraser produced by factory Q is more than the number of, okay, more than 1.2 million minus divide. What is the eraser produced by times 3 times 3 divided by 2? Cannot. Times 3 times 2. Cannot. Hold on. 1.2 million. The number of eraser produced by factory R is twice the number factory Q. What is the number of eraser produced by factory R? A. The difference. Angie, look at question 18. The difference in number of eraser produced by factory P and factory Q is 1.5 million. 0.15 million. What is the mistake? The number of eraser produced by factory Q is more than tekan plus. Oh, plus. Okay. I'll just write the answer for you guys. Okay. 1, 2, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 plus 150,000 divide by 2. Okay, you actually get this answer. Okay. Times 2. Okay. Okay, these are hot question. Okay, so this one, okay, y plus. Actually, teacher did it wrong at first. Okay, teacher put minus, right? Okay, it's wrong. It's actually plus. Okay, why? Because here, Q is more than P. Okay, so if it is more, you put plus. Okay, that's why this is plus. Okay, why is it divided by 2? Okay, this is actually teacher's version of Tom and Jerry. This is the formula. Okay, the formula for this. Okay, why do I suddenly have times 2 here? Here, R is more than Q twice. When it says twice, it means two times. Okay, times 2. Okay, so divide by 2 times 2 can cut each other. That's why 1,200,000 plus, okay, plus 150,000. Align your numbers. Align. So you get D is your final answer. Okay. So this is quite difficult. Okay. A very confusing question. Okay. Later you can try it yourself. Okay. Do you have any question? Any question?
No.
Any question? No question?
No.